Okay, yes. Once again, this is Cedric Thompson, aka Reset 107, and this video may have been days ago, but actually 2 weeks ago. But yes, I'm gonna be reacting to this. Huh? He just made three different intros. SSJ, SSJ, SSJ. That's the okay. Sorry to do that, but those were the different intros. Damn it. I can see. God. You never seen Goku get this serious before. Okay, but
Okay, Dad, what you're singing, it makes me want to blast myself in the face. Well, I sang to your mother and she let me smash the first night. You smashed Mom? Hit it 3 times and I wiped her. Why would you hit her? You monster!
okay. What? You just called him a monster. I don't know. I don't know what the heck's that about. I'm pretty sure you guys would know Goku would have done the same thing when he was little. Like if he was with his father Bardock.
Wait, that's not what I did.
If.
What are you saying? Dad, I mean, Piccolo never had to talk with you. The talk? You know, the birds and the Z's. I hate birds.
Yeah, but yeah, but um, what about Goku? What about Goku? He was holding a bird when before he went Super Saiyan against Cooler in Cooler's Revenge, I think.
Oh, bird.
Ugh.
Go, Gohan. Sometimes when a man and a woman like each other, they do stuff. What kind of stuff do they do? Each other. No,
Each
okay,
other.
if
Yes, each other.
boys have power poles,
Okay, power
girls
poles.
have hyperbolic time chamber.
Hyperbolic time chambers.
When a boy sees a pretty girl, his power pole may extend.
Oh,
Some weird sorcery to me.
oh, where's sorcery, huh?
Boy, she may allow him to place his power pole inside her hyperbolic time chamber.
See, Gohan's already making that face. He's already making that face.
Then, after 9 months, something emerges. What emerges? A capsule. A capsule form capsule? Yep, and guess what's inside the capsule? A beef fajita taco? No! A baby, Gohan! Well, how am I supposed to know shit?
Hey, Jay. Okay, jeez, Gohan. Don't, don't use that word in front of me. Yeah, you're not old enough to use that word yet. Okay, okay, yeah. I know. I do the same, but still.
Dad? Yeah? Mr. Piccolo did tell me about the birds and the seas.
Yeah. Okay. If he told him, if Piccolo told him, then why would Goku do it?
Really? Yeah.
Goku just explained that story for Gohan to gain more understanding of the birds and disease. No wonder why their title is that.
A power pole in as many time chambers as possible.
Whoa, whoa! You're making it sound like he's gonna make a sacrifice to put many power poles in the hyperbolic time chamber, and the pop and girls hyperbolic time chambers. You know, no, it's kind of. Never mind. Never mind.
And one day, maybe I'll be just like you.
Okay, just like him.
I'll have a bunch of kids.
Okay, he'll have a bunch of kids. Well, joke's on you, Gohan, because I'm a Dragon Ball Z fan, and this Dragon Ball Z fan could see in the future. You only had one kid. I just want. Oh my gosh, Goku.
What was that?
I would neglect them. Wait, what do you mean you'll neglect them? Gohan? You? Oh, I can't tell you. My my goodness, there are a lot of Patreons. Wait, hold on. Okay, what? Okay, what? That's supposed to say Patreon. Patrons? That says patrons. Okay. You might not see it, but it says patrons on there. Did I mispronounce it or okay? Whatever. Okay.